2025 has completely shaken up the Bollywood rich list. From rising stars buying crores worth of property, all the way up to India's first billionaire actor, let's count down the richest Bollywood celebrities of 2025 and see whose net worth changed the most. We start our countdown with the fast climbers. Varun Dhawan now sits at around 381 crore rupees, a massive 76% jump from a few years ago. He charges about 25 crore rupees per film and recently bought two luxury Juhu apartments worth nearly 87 crore rupees. Then we have Ranveer Singh, whose brand deals and films push him towards 350 crore rupees. Mansions in Worli, Bandra and Alibaug add serious real estate power. Ranbir Kapoor isn't far behind with 345,440 crore, fueled by a reported 75 rupees crore fee for each Ramayan film and the iconic Krishna Raj bungalow in Bandra worth around 250 rupees crore. And Ajay Devgan, thanks to his production house, VFX company and multiple properties in Mumbai and London, his fortune falls in the 427,600 crore range. Next in the countdown are the actresses who turned brands into empires. Katrina Kaif has built a net worth of about 263 crore rupees, powered by her beauty brand K Beauty, which did around 240 crore rupees in revenue this year, and by early investment in Nykaa. Deepika Padukone, at around 500 crore rupees, is making big moves with her skincare line AT2E, her production outfit Ka Enterprises, and investments in startups like Furlenco and Epigamia. These business plays show how Bollywood's women are earning far beyond film fees. Climbing higher, we hit the top of the actresses' rich list. At around 500 crore rupees, Kareena Kapoor Khan balances films, endorsements and massive family wealth, including the legendary Patodi Palace, valued at nearly 800 crore rupees, and luxury homes with Saif Ali Khan. Alia Bhatt edges ahead with 550 crore rupees, becoming the richest Kapoor of her generation. Her kidswear brand Edamame, now partly owned by Reliance, is valued around 300 crore rupees, and she charges up to 18 crore rupees per film. Priyanka Chopra sits at roughly 650 crore rupees personally, with a combined 1,250 crore rupees fortune with Nick Jonas. From Citadel, Hollywood films and global brand deals to her own haircare and food brands, she's the top international earner. Aishwarya Rai Bachchan is estimated near 900 crore rupees, tied into the Bachchan family's combined wealth. But the surprise number one, Juhi Chawla, with an unbelievable 7,790 crore rupees, thanks mostly to stakes in Red Chillies entertainment and cricket franchises with husband Jay Mehta, prove that old school star power plus smart investments can beat current box office queens. Next, we reach the man who shook up actor salaries, Allu Arjun. His net worth jumped to around 460 crore rupees, and a huge reason is Pushpa 2, The Rule. He reportedly took home a record 300 crore rupees for the film, which has crossed 1,742 crore rupees worldwide. On top of that, earnings from Allu Studios, Geetha Arts, restaurant chains and a stake in streaming platform Aha make him India's highest paid actor for a single film, even if he's not the richest overall, yet. Moving up, we have the timeless legend Amitabh Bachchan, whose net worth is estimated around 1,600 crore rupees and possibly higher with family assets. At 83, he still earns massively, around 5 crore rupees per episode for Kaun Banega Crorepati, which alone adds up to hundreds of crores every season, plus films and endorsements. Next year on the rich list, Akshay Kumar, estimated around 2,500 crore rupees. He built his fortune by doing multiple films a year, owning production ventures and investing heavily in fitness and tech brands. Aamir Khan, with roughly 1,862 rupees crore, works less frequently but earns huge per project, sometimes 275 crore per film, and owns premium real estate in Bandra and Beverly Hills. Quality over quantity, but still big money. Getting very close to the top now. Hrithik Roshan stands at about 3,100 crore rupees. Aside from charging 75 crore per film, his brand HRX has grown into a major fitness and lifestyle business. Just behind the top spot of this non-billionaire list is Salman Khan, at around 2,900 rupees crore. His earnings come from blockbuster fees, his charity fashion label Being Human, and reality TV. He reportedly charges 25 crore rupees per week to host Bigg Boss. And finally, at number 1, we reach the man who changed history in 2025, Shah Rukh Khan. This year, SRK officially entered the billionaire club with a net worth of about 12,490 crore rupees, making him not just India's richest actor, but the richest actor in the world. That's a 70% jump from his estimated 7,300 crore rupees in 2024. The reasons? Massive box office runs from films like Jawan, profits from Red Chillies Entertainment, films plus VFX, and of course, the huge valuation of his IPL team Kolkata Knight Riders and global franchise. In 2025, Shah Rukh Khan now sits in the same wealth bracket as some of the world's biggest entertainment moguls, and officially becomes India's first billionaire actor. So what does the 2025 Bollywood Rich List tell us? The biggest money today isn't just from acting, it's from brands, startups, IPL teams, fashion, beauty, tech and OTT deals. If you enjoyed this countdown of Bollywood's richest, smash that like button, hit subscribe, and tell me in the comments, which celebrity's net worth shocked you the most in 2025? This is Bollywood Blinds, where the spotlight fades, and the secrets shine.